Hi guys. Welcome to Spin TV, my name is Hamisi. Before we get started, let me thank you all for your support. The channel has really grown beyond what I had imagined. A big thank you to my Patreon supporters, I'm so grateful guys for all your contributions. QT, especially Pi Side or Pi QT, is not something I plan to do for long, but any work I put on YouTube you guys showed love, and that's what motivated me to continue. So I have decided to launch a small project for QT developers. This involves creating a desktop app that will help QT learners or developers create their projects and also have access to multiple interfaces or project samples that can be shared by anyone. This is the first look at the app user interface. Leave your feedback in the comments section below, that will be really helpful in helping me improve this project. You can support this project by becoming a Patreon. Any contribution will help me find more time to finish this project. Also, the Patreons will have access to the full app source code and all development steps. Check the link below. Once the app is complete, it will be made available for everyone to use. So subscribe to get the progress updates. Okay guys. That's all for this video, stay tuned for future updates. Don't forget to like and share the video. Thank you.